cheap web hosting with free domain. So I'm going to show you exactly how to host your website on a cheap web hosting. So go to Google and then type in Webs. Okay, this is the spelling. Type it, hit enter. When it comes, come and then click on the official site of webs.com. To bring you right here to the platform, simply come and then click on get started. So as you can see, start for free, no credit cards. Just click on it, and then you are going to create an account. Okay, so to create an account, all that you have to do is simply come and then put in your email address right here. You confirm your email address, you create a strong password, then you come down here and then you come and then confirm your password and then click on sign up. Okay, but I'm simply going to go with either any of these. So I'm simply going to go with continue with Google, and then you click on it and then you come and select your Google account and then click on continue. So over here they are going to ask you what are you creating the website for. So it's for myself. Come and then select it and then click on continue. Okay, and then over here you have two options. Okay, so you can chat the AI or you can skip it. Okay, so I'm simply going to skip it, okay, without chatting the AI. And then over here they are going to ask you actually the purpose of the website. So it's for blogging. I'm going to write blog and then select blog, and then simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, so as you can see they are preparing my dashboard for me, and just wait for it to finish, and you will see that our dashboard has been created. Okay, so over here they are going to ask you what are you going to call the website. Okay, so I'm going to call it Blogging Tools Original, just like this one. Okay, so it depends on you, and when you're done, simply come down here to where you have continue and come and click on the continue, and then over here you have to come and then select something about the website, what you are really going to use the website for. I'm going to select to build a community. Okay, you can select any of these, and when you're okay, come and then click on continue. Okay, so after that you have to choose some of the apps that you're going to use for the website. Okay, so we have automatically Instagram, but I'm going to uncheck it because I'm not going to use Instagram. And then can scroll down and then come and select any of these, and simply come down here to the continue and come and click on the continue. Okay, so as you can see we are all set. So come and click on continue to dashboard, and then from here, okay, from the quick actions, just scroll down. Okay, scroll down and then come to the button. You will see that we have design site, and then come and click on design site. We have to design our site first. So we have two options. Okay, to design the site you can choose from a template. Okay, so as you can see we have customize a template. You can choose from a template, or you can make the AI build it from scratch for you. So I'm going to pick this one, which is generate a design using AI. Okay, so the AI is going to summarize how your website is going to look like. Okay, so you can come and then change the brief statements about your website, any updates, the structure, the description, the theme, the layout. You can change anything, and you come and click on regenerate, or you can do some twist to it. Okay, so when you're okay with it, simply come down here to continue, and then come and click on continue with this design. Okay, all right, and then what you have to do is that you have to come here. If you have the money to purchase a domain, you can simply go ahead and then come and then click on let's go. But since I'm going to show you how to get it for totally free, simply come and then click on continue to the editor. Okay, don't click on set up your business, just come ahead and click on continue to the editor mode to bring you right here, and then you can edit your website. Okay, so when you have finished editing it, adding your own twist to it, okay, then you can come for the domain, which I said you are going to get it for totally free. Okay, so at the top right hand corner you see that we have this publish icon. Come and then click on it to publish your website. Okay, so after clicking on it over here, as you can see, congratulations, you can then go for a domain. Okay, so automatically this is your free subdomain. You can click on the view site to see your site. Okay, so simply come here to the done and then come and click on the done. So from the top here, as you can see, this domain is available. Simply come and then click on connect your domain. Okay, so when you click on connect your domain, as you can see, Blogging Tools Original is available. Okay, so you can choose from a .com, a .online, and a .shop. So let me show you how to get it for totally free. Come and click on get it. And then from here, okay, you can come and then get a free domain, okay, without paying anything when you sign up from a premium plan. So as you can see, I can get it for a whole year for totally free, and then I even have a 14 days cashback. So all that you have to do is just come and click on continue, and then come and select the list of it, okay, that is the list, and then you are going to get the domain for a whole 1 year for totally free. Okay, so this is how to get a totally free domain. Like the video and then see you in my next video.